Hi friends, welcome to Secret Bites. This is Mani, and in this video we are going to discuss about the ancient Tamil Siddha walking. It's also known as infinity walking, figure eight walking and eight-shaped walking. Now we are going to discuss three important topics. Firstly, what are the benefits of Siddha walking? Secondly, how to perform this activity at home? And lastly, who can do and who should avoid? Come, let's get into this video and discuss in detail. Everyone knows walking is a good exercise that helps us to maintain good mental and physical health. We should walk with a free mind without any distraction. But many of us not doing it properly. Common mistakes that we do while walking are talking over the phone, chatting with friends, and always thinking about work stress. Due to these reasons, we are not getting the actual benefits from the walking. But the figure eight walk is going to give you the better experience with the best results. Due to eight-shaped walking, all your body parts like legs, ankles, knees, abdomen, hip, hands, shoulders and head moves in a twist and turn pattern. So, it gives a very good physical movements to all parts of the body when you compare with any other walking method. Practicing in half an hour twice a day helps to cure the leg pain, shoulder pain, back pain and all the joint pains. At the end of 30 minutes of 8 walking, stuffy nose is cleared and you will feel free breathing. Cough and sinus problems will get resolved too. Along with these benefits, it also helps to come out of thyroid issues, kidney problems and heart related diseases. The regular practice of this 8 walk helps for weight loss and to get rid of blood pressure and stress. Draw 8 shape as shown in the picture. Mark 8 shaped pattern on the floor with 6 feet width and 12 feet length from south to north. Start at the position marked in the picture. Proceed to start position 1 and continue to 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 to 1. One complete round is counted when you come back to the starting position. Don't walk too fast or too slowly. Try to maintain a moderate speed. Practice in the morning or evening in an empty stomach will give you the better results. Preferable time is 5 to 6 am or pm. Start walking from south to north with the barefoot, without shoes and concentrate on 8-shaped walking. If you find any difficulties in drawing this shape, you can keep 2 chairs and draw an imaginary line and practice as shown in the video. Except pregnant ladies and kids, everyone can practice this 8-shaped walking and get all the benefits. Like this 8-shaped walking helps us to keep our mind and body as healthy for a happy life. I would like to thank Tamil Siddhas for this greatest invention. And thank you friends for watching this video. For more interesting videos, like, share and subscribe to Secret Bites.